Have you ever found yourself wondering if certain procedures, perhaps those designed to enhance your appearance, could possibly be covered by your health insurance? It is a very common question, and understanding the answer is crucial for your financial planning. The straightforward answer is yes. Health insurance companies very frequently deny claims for procedures that are considered purely cosmetic. This is because their core mission is to cover treatments that are primarily classified as medically necessary to treat an illness, injury, or functional impairment. The key distinction an insurance company makes is between what is purely cosmetic and what is reconstructive or medically necessary. A cosmetic procedure is typically defined as one performed solely to improve your aesthetic appearance, without addressing an underlying medical condition or functional problem. For example, a facelift to reduce visible signs of aging or liposuction performed purely for body contouring would generally fall into this category. However, if a procedure also corrects a functional issue, it may be covered. Consider a breast reduction that significantly alleviates severe back pain, neck pain, or shoulder grooving, or a rhinoplasty that corrects a deviated septum to improve breathing, even if it also refines the shape of the nose. Procedures for reconstruction after a mastectomy or following a severe accident are almost always deemed medically necessary. If you believe your procedure has a medical necessity component, the first and most vital step is to work closely with your surgeon and their office staff. They will need to thoroughly document the medical reasons for the procedure, including detailed medical records, clinical photographs, and sometimes even evaluations from other specialists. Many insurance plans requiring a process called prior authorization or pre-certification. This step determines in advance whether a specific service or procedure will be covered based on the plan's medical necessity criteria. This critical process of establishing medical necessity involves submitting a comprehensive package of information to your insurer for their review. Your doctor's office often has a dedicated team or a specific staff member who is highly experienced in preparing and submitting these types of claims. They understand the precise language and documentation requirements that insurance companies look for when evaluating potential coverage. Without this robust and detailed documentation, even a claim for a genuinely reconstructive or functionally corrective procedure might face an initial denial. Therefore, while the general expectation is that health insurance does not cover purely aesthetic enhancements, understanding the specific criteria for medical necessity and proactively collaborating with your surgical team to provide thorough documentation can make a significant difference. This knowledge empowers you to effectively navigate the often complex world of insurance coverage and potentially transform a procedure from a completely out-of-pocket expense into one that is partially or even fully covered, provided it truly addresses a functional health concern.